Hello friends, I am Dr. Mangesh Doshi working as assistant professor in chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. Friends, up to now we saw concepts of organic acids and bases. We saw strengths of acids and strengths of bases, which are the factors and how those factors are affecting the strength of acid as well as bases. Now in this video we will learn about acid and base catalysis. Friends, the catalyst lowers the kinetic barrier and speed up the attainment of chemical equilibrium. So catalysts are the substances which enhance the rate of reaction. So there are many compounds which catalyze the reactions. The reactions which are catalyzed by the acid and bases, those reactions are called as acid and base catalyzed reaction, and that is called as acid and base catalysis. Friends, there are so many acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acids which catalyzes the reactions giving H plus ions. Those reactions are called as acid catalyzed reaction or acid catalysis. While alkali hydroxides like NaOH, KOH donates OH ions for the catalysis of the reactions, that is to enhance the rate of reaction. Those reactions are called as base catalyzed reaction. Friends, how that works? For example, we will learn about esterification of acid. So this is our carboxylic acid. So in presence of acid, so first thing is happens that protonation of oxygen. So double sp2 hybridized oxygen is more electron rich, so it get protonated first. Now pi bond is attached to the positively charged oxygen, oxonium ion. So pi bond will break, those electron goes on to the oxygen. So carbon becomes electropositive, that is carbocation. On this carbocation, whatever the solvent like ROH, alcohol or water acts as a base. The oxygen gives its electron to the carbocation and forms this conjugate acid. After deprotonation of alcohol, here we will get this compound, that is diol, and you can say this is hemiacetal also. Then this is also will get protonated. So one of the OH out of this two OH will get protonated. After protonation, whatever the conjugate acid is formed, that acid after elimination of water gives ester. So all this reaction mechanism is a esterification from this carboxylic acid. So acid plus alcohol in presence of acid gives ester. So this esterification reaction is catalyzed by the H plus ions, that H plus ions coming from the hydrochloric acid, or you can say H2SO4. So this reaction, that is esterification reaction, is catalyzed by the H plus ions, that is acid catalyzed reaction. So in acid catalyzed reactions or base catalyzed reactions, both are of two types. First we will see acid catalysis. So acid catalysis is of two types. Similarly for base catalysis also, that is also two types, that is specific acid catalysis and second one is general acid catalysis. We will see first specific acid catalysis. So in specific acid catalysis, the solvent like water, the reaction rate is proportional to the concentration of protonated water, that is H3O plus. So the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of protonated water, that is H3O plus. That is called as specific acid catalysis. So this is the general reaction. H2O plus acid gives H3O plus and conjugate base, that is A minus. So in this reaction, HA acts as an acid just to shift the equilibrium to the H3O plus. So rate of reaction is not depends upon the concentration of HA, but the rate of reaction is directly proportional or proportional to the concentration of H3O plus. Those type of reactions are called as specific acid catalysis. So the rate of this reaction will be dr by dt is equal to, this is equilibrium constant. So the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of H3O plus and concentration of reactants, that is reactant 1 and reactant 2. For example, specific acid catalysis. This type of chemical kinetics observed when reactant is in fast equilibrium with its conjugate acid, that is R1H plus, which proceeds to react slowly with R2 to the reaction product, for example, aldol condensation or hydrolysis of acetal. We will see the example. Suppose this is acetal. So, we will see hydrolysis of acetal. Acetal means the carbon which contains two OR groups, two ether linkages, that is OR groups. So, this is called as acetal. Now, acetal in presence of H3O plus, that is protonated water. So, the lone pair of this, one of the oxygen will attack on this proton and will get protonated. So, this is protonated. After that, now this is a slow reaction. So, after deprotonation, we will get this species. So, this OH deprotonation, this electron goes over here while one of the OAT will get eliminated. So, OAT minus and H plus forms a byproduct, that is ethanol. Whatever the positive charge remains as it is, this single bond is converted to the double bond. Now, in presence of water, whatever the ethyl group is there, that will get eliminated, and whatever we will get, that is the aldehyde. So, this is the reverse acetal reaction, that is hydrolysis of acetyl. So, from acetal we will get the aldehyde. So, this reaction is catalyzed by the H3O plus. So, rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of H3O plus as well as the concentration of starting material, that is R. So, the equilibrium, here is the equilibrium reaction, the H3O plus just shifts the equilibrium towards the protonated. So, H3O plus is used for the protonation of acetal. The rate of reaction is equal to K, that is equilibrium constant, into concentration of H3O plus into concentration of starting material, that is acetal. Now, we will see general acid catalysis. So, in general acid catalysis, all the species which are capable of donating protons contributes to the reaction rate acceleration. So, in specific acid catalysis, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the only H3O plus, while in case of general acid catalysis, the rate acceleration, it depends upon all the species which are capable for the donation of protons. The strongest acids are more effective. In all the proton donating species, the strongest acids are more effective. That accelerates the rate of reaction faster. The reaction in which proton transfer is rate determining, it exhibits general acid catalysis. For example, diazonium coupling hydrolysis or orthoester hydrolysis. The rate is equal to K1 into concentration of H3O into concentration of reactant 1 and into concentration of reactant 2 plus the equilibrium constant, that is rate constant of second, into concentration of acid into concentration of reactant 1 into concentration of reactant second. So, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the species which are capable of donating the proton. For example, H3O plus, this is also capable to donate the proton, as well as AH plus, this is also capable to donate the proton. So rate of reaction is depends upon H3O plus as well as AH plus and any other species which are capable to donate the proton. For example, hydrolysis of this compound. So in presence of acid. So first step is protonation and then elimination to form a carbocation. After formation of this carbocation, now this reaction will be very faster and fastly it will get hydrolyzed to the ester. So the rate of this reaction, it depends upon the concentration of H3O plus as well as concentration of HA, that is acid. So solvent, protonated solvent plus acid. Now we will see a base catalyzed reaction. So in a base catalyzed reaction, base catalyzes the reaction, enhance the rate of reaction. Those reactions are called as base catalysis. Now this is also of two types, that is specific base catalysis and general base catalysis. We will learn about specific base catalysis. So in this specific base catalysis, the reaction rate is proportional to the concentration of OH minus ions, that is pH. So it increases with increasing pH. So as the basicity increases, the rate of reaction increases. For example, reversal of aldol condensation. Suppose this is the starting material, that is beta hydroxy ketone. Now after abstracting the proton of the beta hydroxy, it forms a conjugate base, that is O minus. So this is very fast process in presence of base. Then that O minus comes inside to form a ketone and one carbanion. So now this is slow step. So this is the base catalyzed reaction. Now the rate of reaction is equal to that rate constant into concentration of OH minus ions into concentration of reactants. So for this particular reaction, the rate is equal to proportionality constant into concentration of OH minus ion concentration into concentration of reactant. So in a specific base catalysis, the rate of reaction is proportional to the concentration of OH minus ions as well as reactants. So that is called as specific base catalysis. Now we will see general base catalysis. In general base catalysis, the bases which are involved other than OH minus ions, means reaction it depends upon the other bases other than OH minus ions. For example, the base catalyzes bromination of the acetone in an acetate buffer. For example, this is acetone. Now in acetone, whatever the base abstracts the proton, alpha proton, and forms a carbanion. This is very slow step. Now this carbanion attacks on the Br2. So bromination of alpha carbon. So this O minus comes inside, this pi bond attacks on the Br, one of the Br, one Br minus will leave. So alpha bromination will takes place. Now this is very fast process. So alpha bromination of the acetone. In this reaction, the rate is equal to, now here base 1, that is whatever the base is used to abstract this alpha proton. Now secondly, whatever the second base that catalyze the reaction. So in general base catalysis is found to be a characteristic reaction in which removal of proton from the substrate is very slow. So removal of this proton is very slow, that is rate limiting. So this is rate determining reaction and followed by the rapid conversion of intermediate into the product. So whatever the carbanion is formed, that is fastly converted to the product, that is alpha bromo ketone. So in this case, the bases which are other than OH minus ions are involved, like OR minus, acetate minus in buffer solution. So those reactions are called as general base catalyzed reaction or general base catalysis. Thank you friends. Thank you for the watching.